Whew. So we are out here in the pouring rain right now. I got the 15-inch pole on, trying to find my wreath to my buckle that I found. And this pops out. Literally just threw a shovel out. I can't believe this. We got camo waterproof gear on. Look at that. First one of the year. Let's see what it is. Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know yet.
Oh, beautiful.
I didn't expect this.
Great time frame.
Yeah. I didn't expect this. Not over here. We hadn't found any tags out here. This is random. We're looking for a wreath buckle and get a mechanic tag. Insane.
Wow.
It flipped right out of the hole, dude.
That's so cool.
Insane.
That's in good condition too, dude.
Yeah, that's the best one.
That hole, just one little bend.
Yeah, it's just a nice little bend.
Oh, that's lined out perfectly.
Wow. Insanity. I can't believe this. First one of 2021. All right. So my next signal, I dug the tag right there, and we're kind of hitting this area. I dug one of these. And then we're trying to move all the big iron signals. And look at that thing. Massive. I've never seen one like that. That's old. That's the before. We'll see the after later. Oh, it's straight too. Sick.
Yeah.
All right, so nothing crazy more has come out. We'll do a little catch up. I had a bunch of buttons and stuff. Maybe a buckle. Nothing too crazy. Chris just dug a really nice. We are soaking wet even though we're wearing waterproof hunting
I
gear.
don't even have anything to clean it with anymore.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I don't want to rub on it. And I drop it. Well, that's pretty.
This thing's got some kind of design on, or not design, like etching in it.
Yeah. I know.
That was from yesterday.
Yeah.
But a lot of buttons.
Bunch of buttons.
I'll show you the cool button. The best looking one so far. Look at my knuckle. Got into a fight over there.
What'd you do?
No.
That's a pretty good cut. I'm just glad it's not too... Oh, yeah. Pretty. I'm just glad it's not too wet. Like, literally, the ground still sounds good. But, yeah, we'll come back when we get some more. I just dug the loudest pewter spoon, not like a foot deep. Chris just hollered out, oh, yeah, nice.
I gotta give that to you for electrolysis because that thing's gonna turn pretty.
Haha, that should still work, maybe. Right on. Well, we're still at it. A lot of ground to cover. These things are loving me today. How pretty that is. That's old. They ring up so nice. Keep thinking I got my other half of my buckle.